So let's talk about how Form Fill Assistance works in a model-driven application. I have a Power App that I'm working on right now, and we have a list of records that are called facilities. And every facility has a name of the facility and a related institution, which has a code letter. And you'll notice the most popular code letter is the letter R. If I go ahead and create a brand new institution or facility record, you'll see the institution field gets filled in with the letter R for me. I also have a bar along the top that says that there have been suggestions made and I should review these AI generated entries for accuracy. If I wanted to, I could accept all the suggestions that have been made for me, or I can choose not to accept them. So for example, I'm going to put in test as my description here, and I'm going to click save, and it will give me a notice to say discard suggestion. And I could choose to continue anyway, in which case a record will be created called test with no value in the institution field. Now, I'm not happy about this because of numerous things. First off, I'm having this little pop-up warn me every time that a record is created with suggestions that I have to continue anyway if I don't want to save those changes. If I'm doing a lot of data entry, I'm going to have to click continue anyway every time I save a record if I don't save changes that were made. So what I'm going to show you now is how to shut this off. It's pretty straightforward. You go to the Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center and you open up the environment. So I'm going to open up this environment right here. And when I go to the environments, I'm going to go down to settings. Now, underneath settings, I have a few options, features, and we have this window that we've all been using to manage our configuration of Dynamics 365. The section that's devoted to the Form Fill Assistance is right down here. Now, you'll notice this feature is on by default. You don't have a choice to turn it off. You don't get a notification that it's been enabled in your system until it's actually available. So if it hasn't been enabled in your system, you do have this option today. You can disable it by choosing enable this feature and turn it on for no one. And that way, everyone in your organization will not have this feature turned on. So don't forget to save your changes. And while you're saving the changes, in the background, Form Fill Assistance is being turned off.